Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to let you know about Python local variable. So what is Python local variable? So as I have already told you how you can write the variable and what is the use of variable. So let's again I'm talking about what is variable. So variable is just a container to store any value and utilize that variable's value inside your code. So here I will talk about the local variable. In further video, I will talk about the global variable. So here I will talk about the local variable only. So what is local variable? Variable that is created inside of the function are known as local variable. So if you are creating variable inside a function, that is a local variable, and you have to utilize that variable value in within a function, inside a function. That is a local variable. If you try to write down the local variable within a function, but same variable you want to utilize outside of the function, you will get an error. So let's see the practical approach here. So see here, I'm going to write down same function. First, I'm just telling you how we can declare the function. Function is a not uh, topic for this session. Just I'm creating very basic function. If you want to create any function, at that time you need to define def. Def is a keyword to create any function. And here I have taken function name myfun. Myfun is a name of the function. If you want to write any other thing, then you can write down here. As per your convenience, you can put down your function name here. So after that, you have to take bracket start, bracket close, and colon is mandatory. Whenever you are defining any function, you after taking function name, you have to take bracket start, bracket close, and colon. Then enter. After taking enter, you will get multiple spaces here. This is called indentation. And here I have written one variable. The variable name is course. Okay. In course variable name, I have stored the Python. Okay. Now here within this function, I have utilized the print statement to take output of the course variable. So here I have written print, then variable name. So your output will be my output will be Python. Why? Because here I have called the function. After writing this code, it's fine. You will not get any error. It will work fine, but you will not get any output after executing these three lines. It's mandatory to take output of the function. You need to write function name, bracket start, bracket close. Then you will get this course value. Course is the name of the variable. Within the course, I have stored Python, so you are getting output as a Python. If you have you have written the variable within a function, but if you try to utilize the variable outside of the function, at that time you will get an error. See the second example. Here I have given example how we are trying to utilize the variable outside of the function. I have declared the variable within a function, but I'm trying to utilize that variable outside of the function. That's why I'm getting this error. So see here, I have defined one function, def myfun, bracket start, bracket close, colon. Then enter here. You have to write here. You have to write here course variable equal to Python. I have stored Python into course variable, and within a function, I have not used here variable name. I have not utilized within a function. So what I have done here, I have written my function, and then I have utilized here print course. Course is the name of the variable. This is outside of the function. So see here def function, my function. Within this function, I have not utilized the print statement, but after my function, I have written the variables name with print statement. So you will get an error. So why I'm getting error, and try to understand the error message. So name course is a name of the variable, is not defined, is defined within the function but not outside of the function. That's why you are getting this error. I have defined the course variable, but inside function I have defined, outside of the function I have not defined. That's why I'm getting this error. Okay, so same example I will give you practically. So see here, I'm just writing def is a name of the function, and my def is a keyword of the function. My fun, my fun is a name of the function. You can write here anything. Here you can write xyz also, but here I'm writing my function. Okay, and then it's mandatory to take colon and then enter. So see here, I have taken multiple indentation. By default, Python takes multiple indentations here, multiple spaces here. It is called indentation. Now I'm writing here variable name. So my variable name is course, and within course variable, I'm writing here, I'm storing course name, Python. Okay, Python is stored within a course variable. Now I want to take output of the variable. So you need to write here print bracket start, and then you have to put down the variable name. My variable name is course. So I'm just writing here course. Now, if you execute here code, it will not give you any error. So see here, it's working fine, it's running, but you are not getting any output. If you want to take output, you have to take here function name. You have to take here def, not def, my fun bracket start bracket close, and run it. How we can run? Control enter. So see here, I'm getting output as a Python, which is a variables value. So this is the example of local variable. Now I let you know how we will get an error if you try to use this variable outside of the function. I will get an error. So see here, I'm just taking new cell. So here I have taken new cell. Now I will write down same function, def my function bracket start bracket close colon enter. Then you have to take here course, then you have to take here Python. Then what you have to do, you have to write here, uh, I'm not writing print here. Here I'm writing def, then my function bracket start bracket close. I'm running. So see here, I'm getting error, invalid syntax, because here I'm not trying to take output. Here I have written wrong. I have not to write here def. Here I need to write the down function. If I run it, so it's working fine, but I'm not getting any error. But here, if I try to use print function, print, then you have to write down the variable name course. Run it, you will get an error. Same error I'm getting whatever screenshot I have attached into this slide. So see here, why I'm getting error? Because I have written the variable name within a function, but I have tried to use outside of the function course variable. That's why I'm getting error. So this is the example of local variable. That's all for this video. Next video, I will make you understand how we can utilize the global variable. Thank you so much.